Good day. This time we are going to talk about the biography of Carlos P. Romulo. Carlos P. Romulo was a renowned Filipino diplomat, writer, soldier, and journalist who played a pivotal role in the Philippines' international relations and advocacy for independence. His contributions earned him global recognitions and numerous accolades. Carlos P. Romulo was born on January 14, 1899, in Camiling, Tarlac, Philippines. He is a son of Gregorio Romero, a farmer, and Maria Peña, a school teacher. His upbringing was rooted in modest beginnings, which instilled in him a strong work ethic and values. He married to Virginia Llamas, a devoted partner who supported him throughout his illustrious career. Together, they had 4 children. Romulo valued family life and often credited his wife for her encouragement and strength, especially during his demanding diplomatic and military roles. Romulo pursued his early education in the Philippines and later earned a Bachelor of Arts degree from the University of the Philippines in 1918. He then attended Columbia University, where he obtained a Master of Arts degree in 1921, and his education played a crucial role in shaping his intellectual pursuits and career trajectory. Romulo was an avid writer, reader, and advocate of education. He believed in the power of literature and journalism as tools to inspire change and raise awareness. Colleagues describe him as eloquent, passionate, and deeply patriotic, with an enduring commitment to his country's progress. And also, the legacy of Carlos P. Romulo is always remembered. He is a national hero. Romulo is remembered as one of the Philippines' most influential statesmen. His work in diplomacy, particularly at the United Nations, elevated the country's status on the global stage and cemented his reputation as a champion of freedom and human rights. He is also an advocate of Filipino identity. Through his writings and speeches, Romulo inspired generations of Filipinos to take pride in their heritage and culture. His poem, I Am a Filipino, remains a powerful declaration of nationalism and a symbol of Filipino spirit. And we are going to talk about that later. Also, his contributions to diplomacy, Romulo's efforts in the founding of the United Nations, and his role as its first Asian president highlighted his commitment to international cooperation, peace, and decolonization. His legacy continues to inspire Filipino diplomats and leaders, as well as his literary and educational influence. As a writer and a journalist, Romulo's works such as I Walk in with Heroes in Mother America provided unique perspective in Philippine history, identity, and politics. His writing continued to be studied for their historical and cultural significance. His role as a brigadier general during World War II and his close association with General Douglas MacArthur demonstrated his dedication to the Philippines' fight for freedom. His military service added another layer to his multifaceted legacy. Romulo received numerous awards, including the Pulitzer Prize, the title of National Artist for Literature, and over 80 honorary degrees from institutions worldwide. These accolades underscores his impacts on both national and global stages. And role model for leadership, Romulo's life is a testament to the power of education, perseverance, and patriotism. His journey from a modest background to international prominence serves as an inspiration for aspiring leaders and public servants. Let's move on to his career. He is a journalist, diplomat, soldier, and writer. Romulo was a Pulitzer Prize-winning journalist in 1942 for his insightful and courageous reports during World War II, and he wrote for several newspapers and became editor of the Philippines Herald. He was also a diplomat, served as the Secretary of Foreign Affairs of the Philippines, instrumental in the founding of the United Nations, and became the very first Asian president of the UN General Assembly in 1949. He also served as an aide-de-camp to General Douglas MacArthur during World War II. He promoted to Brigadier General in the Philippine Army. And lastly, he was a writer, authored numerous books including I Walk with Heroes, Mother America, and The United. His works highlighted Filipino identity, nationalism, and global cooperation. Listed are some of his major achievements throughout his career. So he is the first Asian to win the Pulitzer Prize in 1942. Romulo received the prestigious Pulitzer Prize for his journalism in 1942 for his brave and insightful reporting during World War II. He was recognized for his coverage of the war from the front lines and for his accurate and vivid portrayal of events, particularly concerning the Philippines' involvement in the war. This award marked a significant milestone in Romulo's career, highlighting his exceptional skills as a journalist. He is also a president of the United Nations General Assembly. In 1949, Romulo made history as the first Asian to be elected as the president of the United Nations General Assembly, or UNGA, in 1949. His leadership during this time was crucial in promoting the Philippines' interests and pushing for global cooperation on issues such as post-war reconstruction, human rights, and decolonization. This position allowed Romulo to have a significant influence on international diplomacy, particularly in shaping the early years of the United Nations. He is the Secretary of Foreign Affairs. Romulo served as the Secretary of Foreign Affairs of the Philippines in two separate periods. In his role, he played a critical part in shaping the country's foreign policy, particularly in strengthening the Philippines' ties with other nations and advocating for independence from colonial powers. He was instrumental in the Philippines' post-war foreign policy and helped establish the country as an active member of international organizations such as the United Nations. Romulo was also part of the Philippine Independence Mission to the United States in 1945, which played a key role in securing the country's independence from the United States. And this mission helped to negotiate the Tyding-McDuffie Act, which eventually led to the establishment of the Philippine Commonwealth in 1935 and the full independence of the Philippines in 1946. So he was a prolific writer, publishing several books, essays, and articles. His works reflect his deep commitment to the Filipino identity, nationalism, and global cooperation. Notable work include I Walk with Heroes, which recounts his experiences during World War II, and Mother America, a reflection on the Philippines' relationship with the United States. His writing not only contributed to the cultural landscape of the Philippines, but also helped raise the nation's profile internationally. Other than that, he was a brigadier general in the Philippine Army with General Douglas MacArthur. He was an advocate for Philippine independence. He is a national artist for literature, a recipient of over 80 honorary degrees and awards from universities and institutions worldwide, recognizing his exceptional contributions to diplomacy, literature, and the arts. These awards were a testament to his international influence and the respect he garnered globally for his work and achievement. He is also an active participant in founding of the United Nations, contributing to the development of the UN Charter and representing the Philippines in numerous global discussions. As a diplomat, he played as a crucial role in ensuring that the Philippines would have a seat at the table in this important international organization, thereby cementing the country's role in global diplomacy. So his achievements span a diverse range of fields, from journalism and literature to diplomacy and military service. His remarkable career not only contributed to the advancement of the Philippines on the world stage but also left a lasting legacy that continues to inspire future generations of Filipinos. His life's work exemplifies dedication to his country and his people, as well as to the ideals of freedom, peace, and cooperation. Carlos P. Romulo's creations span various forms of literature, speeches, and other works that reflects his intellect and patriotism, including his poem, I Am a Filipino, a patriotic poem celebrating Filipino identity, heritage, and resilience. His work, I Am a Filipino, is a powerful literary work that expresses deep pride in Filipino identity, a profound love for the country, and a strong sense of responsibility to protect the nation's freedom and legacy. It is both a patriotic declaration and a call to action. It explores the themes of patriotism, resilience, responsibility, heritage, and legacy. So, I Am a Filipino is a timeless reminder of the value of national identity and pride. It challenges every Filipino to honor their heritage, protect their freedom, and work toward a united and prosperous nation. Romulo's words inspire a sense of duty, urging Filipinos to rise above challenges and build a future worthy of their storied past. That would be all. Thank you so much for listening.